Hi friends, happy evening. Hello.
Happy evening, Guruji.
Yes. So just thought of whether I'm audible or not. Okay. So hope you are all ready for the reflection. Shall we
Yes,
start?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before
Yes, sir.
starting, I'd like to give a couple of instructions. Please make sure you are in a place where you don't have any disturbances or distractions because this exercise is going to be for 20 to 25
Okay.
minutes. It's purely
Okay,
going
sir.
to be a guided meditation. So it requires your full concentration and focus on yourself. Focus only on
Okay.
the voice. Yeah. So
Okay.
no need. So there is no need of unmuting your mic or video. So you can just mute yourself and either you can sit in a comfortable position or you can lay down on a bed. Even on a chair you
Okay.
can lay down. So make sure you are completely 100% in a comfort position. So that is
Yes.
very
Yes.
essential because
Yes.
we are going to reflect our entire day. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to mute my video and let me sit up here. Happy evening, friends. Today, I'm going to talk about you regarding the reflection. Reflection. It's very essential for every human being for the end of the day before getting into a bed. Reflection is nothing but the mirror. What you did for the day, what you achieved for the day, what you have accomplished for the day. So, always remember, my dear friends, reflection is very essential to recollect, revise, revisit what happened, what you learned, what you thought, what you did, what you felt, and what you achieved. That is what we are going to do here through a simple guided meditation and mindfulness exercises. I request you to sit in a comfortable position or lay down on a bed. Make sure you are in completely relaxed mode and comfortable situation. It is very essential for you to be in a calm position where you don't have any disturbances from any other persons or any other places. So make sure you are alone and you don't have any other distraction while doing this exercise. Remember, my dear friends, we are going to do this exercise for next 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure you are in a completely relaxed mode and you are in a comfortable position. Now, slowly close your eyes. You are focusing only on my voice. You are not getting anything else into your mind. You are listening to only my voice and focusing only on your breath. Inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel it. Feel the flow of oxygen. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your brain. Your brain is completely filled with oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your brain. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your brain. Your brain is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your eyes. Your eyes are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both eyes. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your eyes. Your eyes are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your nose. Your nose is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your nose. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your nose. Your nose is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your both ears. Your ears are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both ears. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your ears. Now your ears are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Your mouth is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your mouth. Your mouth is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your chin. Your chin is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your chin. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your chin. Now your chin is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your entire face. Your face is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your face. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your face. Now your face is entirely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your neck. Your neck is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your neck. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your neck. Now your neck is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Your shoulders are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your shoulders. Now your shoulders are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your hands. Your hands are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your hands. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your hands. Your hands are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Your fingers are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your fingers. Your fingers are completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Your lungs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your lungs. Now your lungs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your heart. Your heart is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your heart. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your heart. Now your heart is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Your abdomen is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your abdomen. Now your abdomen is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Your backbone is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your backbone. Now your backbone is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Your bottom is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your bottom. Your bottom is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Your thighs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your thighs. Now your thighs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your legs. Your legs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your legs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your legs. Your legs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your feet. Your feet is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your feet. Your feet is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen from the top of your brain till the bottom of your feet. Your entire body is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your entire body from the top of the brain till the bottom of the feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your entire body. Your complete body is fully relaxed. You are fully relaxed. You are feeling as such you are floating in air. Your body is becoming so lightweight. You are feeling as such you are floating on the air, floating on the water, flying in the air. Now, visualize a powerful and beautiful wings came behind your hands. With those powerful and beautiful wings, you are flying high, high, high in the sky with the pride, with the accomplishment, with the beauty of the successful completion of this day. Yes, you have completed this day. You are flying high and high and high, where you can see your magical mirror, where you can reflect yourself, where you can reflect your beautiful and accomplished, prideful person in you. Now, look at the beautiful sunrise. Visualize the beautiful sunrise when you woke up. Visualize the first thing which you saw when you opened your eyes. Remember the first voice which you heard when you woke up. Visualize the first touch which you felt when you woke up. Visualize the faces of the people whom you saw in the morning. Visualize the happy and the beautiful faces of your family members, your roommates, whom you interacted in the morning. Visualize the yummy and delicious breakfast which you had this morning. Think of the person who prepared the delicious and the yummy breakfast who prepared. Thank the person who prepared. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them aloud. Thank those people. Think of the beautiful things which you did this morning. Think of the beautiful accomplishments which you did today. Think of your friends. Think of your colleagues whom you worked today. Think of your all action plans. Think of what you did till the lunch. Think of the yummy and delicious lunch which you had. Think of every sip you had. Think of the delicious taste. Think of that yummy food. Think of the person who served you. Think of the person who prepared that yummy and delicious food for you. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank aloud. Thank them. Think of all the tasks which you accomplished today. Think of all the day's work, beautiful work which you did. Think of one thing which you learned today. Think of one thing which you tried something new today. Think of something which you tried but failed. Think of something which you tried and succeed. Think of something which made you so happy. Think of something which made you so sad. Think of something which made you proud. Think of something which made you accomplished something. Think of everything you did it. Think of everyone who are with you. Think of everything who helped you. Thank everything and everyone who made you happy today. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them loud. Think of all your accomplishments. Feel proud of it. You are one of the best and the beautiful person in this world. You are the greatest person in this world. Yes, you accomplished this day. Think of everything what you did today. Think of everything what you achieved today. Thank for yourself. Love yourself. Convey the gratitude yourself. Think of something which you want to forgive. Think of something which you want to forget. Think of something which you want to erase from today. Don't worry about all those things which you want to forgive, all those things which you want to forget, all those things which you want to erase. Just visualize the magic pen in your hand. Yes, you got the magic pen. Write it on the air. The air is there. Write everything which you want to forget. Write everything which you want to forgive. Write everything which you want to erase. The air is flowing away. It's floating like a cloud. It vanished. Yes. All those things you want to forgive, all those things you want to forget, all those things you want to erase, everything gone. Now your mind is completely filled with the positive vibes, positive feelings, positive thoughts, positive words, positive actions. Now you are a powerful person with an accomplished day. You have successfully completed this day. You are the most beautiful, the most important. You are the best and the greatest person in this world. You made it. You achieved it. Hooray! Thank yourself. Appreciate yourself. Now slowly come down to your place. Come down to your place. Come down to your place. And calm down. Take your hands, rub your palms, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, feel the warmth. With a high energy, take a long breath and hold for a second. And slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your palm. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm. Sorry friends, there was some network connectivity issues. So hope you got good reflection. Are you back? Back from the reflection?
Yes, Anna.
Yes. Super.
Yes, Anna.
Good. How's the day? How's your feedback? Would like to hear from each one of you. I see new people join today. Dr. Nandakumar, Abdul Rahman, Usha Santanam.
Nandakumar sir is there. Anna.
Yeah, it is so nice. Feeling very nicely relaxed. It is so nice, sir.
Super, sir. Good, sir. Did you feel that reflection? So do you feel the relax?
Yeah, very much relaxed, sir. Very much relaxed.
Super. That's great, sir. That's great. Thank you. Yami, you are about to say something about
so
Nandakumar, sir.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Very wonderful. Relaxing. Yes, sir. It's so nice and very part of our organ.
Sir,
and relaxed. Very
Thank you,
nice.
sir. Thank you so much.
Nandakumar sir, you are the one who are attending 5 a.m. task, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. I request to attend.
Sir,
5 a.m.
it is so
Okay.
nice
I
to
got
see
it.
you in the morning, sir.
Yeah.
Really.
I got it,
Manish
sir.
sir, BGM sir, this is Usha.
Super, ma'am.
Hi,
Thank
Usha,
you.
ma'am.
Sorry,
Hi, Usha,
sorry,
ma'am.
I joined late.
Okay.
Very late. Tomorrow I shall try to join by 7.
Super. Good.
Sir, நீங்க நமக்கு மார்னிங் கத்து கொடுத்தீங்களே அதுதானா இல்ல இது வேறயா சார்?
This is a different thing. It's an entirely reflection. So,
okay.
reflecting the entire day
Okay,
using a guided meditation.
Okay, then I'll join by sharp 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah. Anyhow, I'm recording it. I'll be uploading it into our YouTube and I'll be sharing it.
Okay, sir. Please do that, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Definitely. Yeah. And then, sure. So if you have any doubts, we can clarify. Otherwise, we can close the day. So as usual, so please remember to have your dinner before 2 hours. Please ensure you have a soft dinner for the good digestion, and have a look at the moon, otherwise stars, if not possible. So just look at the beautiful nature before sleeping. So that makes you a mindfulness and happiness. So that gives so happy to your mind. And second thing, listen to your favorite music. Let it be a kind of a melodic music, not like a pop or rock music. And third thing, please speak with your family members or your kids. So just ask them about their routine and how the day went, so that you also would be so happy. So reflect to see how their reflection is all about. And third thing, so just try to see if you can look at the blue color or lavender color before sleeping, before going to a bed. So that actually gives you a good sleep actually. And also you can try this 3-4-5 technique. So take a breath for 3 seconds. So take a long breath for 3 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. You can just count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and release it for 5 seconds. So this 3-4-5 technique, if you don't get the sleep, you can try it, and definitely you can get the sleep. So this is one of the beautiful and powerful technique. It's a simple one, but it's a powerful technique to get the good sleep actually. So I'm done. So I wish you all happy and satisfied dreams. Make a great and satisfied dreams. See you tomorrow. Till then, signing off.
Thanks, na. Thanks,
Yeah.
na. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Bye, na.
Thank you.